Chapter 3 of 3, and this is where the accounting turns into a habit. The rhythm you repeat, the mistakes that quietly cost real money, and where every tax rupee finally lands on your statements. Compliance is a loop, not a deadline scramble. Every month you deposit what you owe and you file what you collected. Every quarter there are statements to submit, and every year there is an annual return and a reconciliation. There are deliberately no dates here because schedules change. So check the current filing calendar for every registration you hold. What does not change is the order. Record, deposit, file, reconcile, and then round again. 3 ordinary slips cost real money. Input credit you never claimed is cash you already handed your supplier, and left unclaimed it quietly turns into a cost. So it is worth reviewing your purchase register before you file rather than after. TDS deposited late accrues interest for every day it is late, and the expense itself can be disallowed. And a return that does not match your vendor's stalls the credit for both of you until somebody fixes it. So reconcile against their statement early. So where does it all land? The profit and loss account sees nothing at all. Not the tax you collected, not the credit you claimed. Your assets hold GST input credit and TDS receivable. Your liabilities hold GST output, TDS payable, and TCS payable. All of it money you are holding for somebody else. One test settles every case. If the money is not yours to keep, it is not income. Once you have deposited and filed, those accounts should be empty or explainable. 12 ideas on one page. The whole series in a single screen. You are a collector, not a payer. Collected tax is a liability. Input credit is an asset. Net GST payable is output minus input. TDS is deducted before the vendor is paid, and TDS receivable is advance tax in your name. Pause here and read the rest. 3 lines to carry with you. Collected tax is a liability, not income. Input credit is an asset, not a cost. And deduct, deposit, reconcile. In that order, every cycle. Every figure in this series was illustrative, so always check the current rate before you file.